how to fix camera freezing issue on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So this video addresses the common issue of the iPhone camera freezing and provides solution to fix it. So first thing, navigate to the iPhone settings and find camera, tap on it, scroll down, and if you find the smart SDR toggle on, then toggle it off. So this feature may be causing the freezing issue. However, if disabling smart SDR does not resolve the problem, then users can turn it back on. So the second solution is come back and go to general and check for software update. Sometimes not updating a software might also be the reason for this glitch. And if this also doesn't work, then there may be some problem in your device. So try restarting a device by swiping down from the top right and you'll find power button on the top right. Just restart a device and then it will probably help you solve your issue. I hope one of the solution helps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.